Thanks for clicking this video, and here is OC TV. This channel doesn't waste time with their videos, so kindly subscribe to this channel, then you turn on the notification button. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe, because a lot of you watching my videos haven't subscribed to my channel. So let's start with the video. So this is the code that I'll be showing you. Please make sure you watch the video to the end, because every part of this video is important. And after getting the code, you have to do something. So every part of this video is important. Thank you. Just go to your call log. So this secret code will do two things to your battery. Will increase your battery performance, then will make your battery last longer. So you could see there is a change in the background, like the keyboard. It's because this code is only for Samsung users. So those using Samsung will be the only people eligible to use this code. So if you're using any other phone, I'm very sorry, but subscribe now, because there's a lot of videos coming there to help you. So this is a short code: *02228, then #. So this will be the pop-up, and this is what will come. So from here we have everything about your battery. All that you have to do is just tap on quick start, and this pop-up will come. Then you tap on OK. So after clicking OK, the next thing that you have to do is to turn off your phone. Turn off your phone. So something like this. Then you turn your phone off. So after turning it off, you charge your phone to 100%. Yes, make sure you charge the phone to 100%, and after that you'll be able to use your phone battery for a longer time. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe.